What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I have a Dyson Big Ball Cinetic to unbox. Isn't it funny using the word big ball in your product? Anyway, so I'm going to unbox it and I'll show you how it works and all the things that are in the box. So we got it down there. Let's unbox it. All right, so we got a lot of plastic wrapping, so let's remove all of that. That's a lot of plastic wrapping. That's very hard to do it one-handed, but what's a reviewer gonna do? Let's just get this thing open. All right. There's so much. Oh, all right. So there we have the product in its box. Now let's have a look. Looks like we got some images of the product and another image. And then Dyson talks about how they have technologies. So, designed in England, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. A view from the top. Oh, they've even done a view from underneath. That's actually pretty cool. All right, let's have a look in the box. All right, let's open it up. So we have this cleaner head here. That's the one for carpet and hard floor mixed. And then this one's just for hard floors. Cool. And then we got an adapter to convert from old Dyson to new. And we got even more tools. Very cool. Let's have a look inside the packaging. So this must be for like mattresses and car cleaning. And then this one is for like crevices. And I assume it's also got, for like dusting. Very cool. And then see what other accessories we got. This attaches the accessories onto the thing here, so let's keep getting out all the accessories. Oh, this one's cool. I think this one's for animals. That's cool to see. Let's have a look. So this accessory is for when you have a pet, and you basically use this to like cut to get their fur. So you're like, and then you release it and then all the fur gets sucked away. This is a very cool accessory. Another accessory, this one is the Tangle-Free Turbine, so it's kind of for carpets and cars and when you got lots of hair, and they spin like this so you don't get the tangles. It's pretty cool to see. It's air powered. And this is the tube that you use when you're vacuuming, and you can actually extend it. So let's try and do this one-handed. I don't think we're going to be able to. We'll be right back. So this is the tube fully extended. It's pretty long actually, as someone who's pretty tall. It's nice and long, this is great. Very easy reach to the ceiling to test your Nest Protect.
Ready in the kitchen. Press to test.
Maybe I'll do a video on that if you guys are keen. All right, let's assemble the rest of it. So we got the pipe here, so we'll clip that in. And then this clips into the vacuum cleaner, so let's unwrap it. It's got a lot of wrapping, like a Christmas present. There. All right. More wrapping. Okay. This is the cleanest and the newest it'll ever look. It's all downhill from here. Okay. Look at that. It's like a work of art. This is so pretty when they're brand new. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. So reflective. Let's have a look inside the cyclone assembly. Don't use on rubble, plaster or ash. And then we pull this. Once again, it's going to be tricky one-handed, but it's possible. Yep. That's how it empties. So it's got a little rubber thing that pushes the dust off. Let's have a look inside. You can see all the little cyclones in there. Wow. Look at that. That is very cool. Wow. What's also really cool is that, well, I'm just going to take this off as you can. And then this mesh here is laser etched. See if we can get a bit closer. I'll give you an idea. That's my nail, that's my hand next to it. So this is really quite small, the etching that they've done on here. So that's so that they don't have to worry about the dust clogging the cyclones, because if it can't get through there, it's a bit harder for it to clog the cyclones. And there you go. Look at that. All the cyclones down in there. It's like an art piece. That's so cool. It comes out through here and then into there. All right, let's connect this thing up and give it some action. Let's get it running. There we go, connected that in. And now this is the pipe. So let's go with the hard floor cleaning floor for today. I'll plug that in. All right, and there we go. Look at that. That's our vacuum cleaner. Let's do some vacuuming. So pull that cord out. As you can see, we have a yellow warning as the pre-warning, and then as you keep pulling, there's a red one. So you get two with the new ones. The old ones only had the red one. That's cool. Very good cord retraction on it. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing and review of the Dyson Cinetic. My honest thoughts and opinions are that I think it's really good. It's very quiet, probably the quietest wall-plugged vacuum that I've heard, but the actual attachments are loud, especially the turbine heads. But I think it's kind of still not as good as one of these. I might review this as well. It's a Dyson V10, but there's no cords with this. You just it's so loud. But yeah, this thing you can just use anywhere. You don't have to plug it in. The downside is that, you know, if you want that level of suction as the big one over there, then you kind of only get like 5-10 minutes on this thing, and you know, you can't use it anymore for like 2 hours while you wait for it to charge. So if you're cleaning a big house, this fills up quick. So it really depends what your needs are, but I live in a small place, so I'm not sure. I actually bought that Dyson Cinetic with the hope that the attachments would attach to the handheld, but it turns out they don't. So you'd think that these new rated Dyson attachments are compatible across one another, but they're not. So these look the same, but they're not. This one's bigger. So you can't attach the Dyson corded machine attachments to the cordless one, and also you can't attach the cordless machine ones to the corded. Well, I mean, sure, if you consider that attached. No, it's not attached. I mean, sure, that's attached. Yeah, but yeah, with the old Dyson, with the V6 and the Dyson DC series, you could attach between the two. And it's just, I was totally expecting all these attachments to work over, and that's why I bought it, and I don't think I'll keep it because of that. With the Dyson V6 and the DC23 and the DC58 and 54, you could actually use the attachments between them. No adapters, nothing. And there are adapters, but they don't convert. They only convert the old V6 and the old DC23, DC54 connectors to the new ones, but you can't actually connect the cordless to corded and vice versa now. So it's just kind of not so good. I can understand most people don't even have two vacuums. Like, I know, you don't have to tell me in the comments. I understand. I just like trying them out. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good afternoon or morning, and good luck with your day ahead, or good luck to the day after today for you. See you all next time.